Kodak PixPro C1 is being promoted as a cheap, retro-style digital camera for everyday photography and social media. But the real question is whether it's actually worth buying or just a nostalgic-looking budget gadget. The idea sounds appealing. A lightweight, under-$100 camera that gives you that old-school digital aesthetic without using your phone. Now, the concept behind this isn't completely fake. The PixPro C1 is a real entry-level compact camera designed for beginners and casual users who want something simple and portable. However, here's the key point. The Kodak PixPro C1 is more about fun and nostalgia than actual performance. There are some positives. First, it's extremely affordable. At around $100, it's one of the cheapest new digital cameras you can buy today. Second, it's compact and easy to use. The lightweight design, simple controls, and flip-up screen make it beginner-friendly and convenient for selfies or casual shots. Third, it delivers that retro vibe. Some users actually like the slightly imperfect, nostalgic look it produces. That said, there are some major downsides. First, image quality is weak. Photos are only decent in good lighting and quickly fall apart in low light with noise, blur, and poor detail. Second, performance issues. Reviews consistently mention slow autofocus, shutter lag, and inconsistent results, which can make it frustrating to use. Third, very limited features. There's no optical zoom, no stabilization, and no advanced controls, making it far less capable than even basic modern cameras or smartphones. And that leads to the biggest issue: your phone is often better. In most situations, even budget smartphones will produce sharper, faster, and more reliable photos than this camera. So, is the Kodak PixPro C1 worth it? It depends on what you want. If you're looking for a fun, cheap camera, retro aesthetic, a simple point-and-shoot for casual use, then yes, it can be enjoyable. But if you want sharp image quality, reliable performance, a real upgrade over your phone, then no, it's probably not worth it. The bottom line is this: the Kodak PixPro C1 is a real camera, but not a serious one. It's best seen as a fun, nostalgic gadget, not a high-quality photography tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.